To compare two documents in Microsoft Word, go to the Review tab and click on Compare. Then, select the two files you want to compare. You can specify all the different things you want compared between the two documents, which are all on by default. You can also choose how you want the changes displayed. The default is a new document shown side by side with the original and revised documents. Then press OK. Here's what Word produces, which is a display of 3 panels. On the far left panel, every single revision between the two documents is displayed one by one in order from top to bottom of the document and categorized by whether it was added or deleted from the original document. You can right-click on any of these revisions and accept the change or reject it. The next panel on the left is called the Compared document. Here, all of the original text that was kept is in black font, any of the new added text is in underlined red font, and of the removed text is in crossed-out red font. Like with the Revisions panel, you can right-click on any of the changes on the compared documents and accept or reject the change. And on the right side panel are the two documents unchanged. The screen is divided in 2 parts evenly. The top right panel is the original document, and the bottom right panel is the revised document. This Compare document mode can be saved as its own separate document.